Will Bossburger develop team launch a real burger or partnership? It's more of a partnership, I see. Hi guys, is real estate heading down next year? Depends where you live. I think in the United States it's starting to go back up finally. In Canada, it's doing that. So yeah, I think you're in the United States. I think it's going to do okay for the next little while. Okay, and get much, much better. Any messages from Darlene from the other side for her daughter? Green. She liked green.